Hey everybody, welcome to KaboomSec. I'm your host Robbie, and today we're going to break some business logic. We're going to go ahead and look at a daily Bugforge challenge, going through the Cheesy Does It web app. So, if you're ready to blow up bad business logic, let's get started. Alright, so here we are at the Cheesy Does It web app. So it looks like a pretty straightforward app. We can order pizza, we can do whatever we want. Pretty chill. So, actually, we see something interesting here. We see use discount code PIZZA10 for a 10% discount. So let's go ahead and hold on to that logic for a moment and see what we can do with it. So first off, I'm going to order a classic pepperoni pizza because, I love pepperoni. So we're going to go ahead and go into checkout, and we're going to go through the whole process, right? So nothing too weird here, but we do see the discount code section. So let's go ahead and place our order. So no, we see that this is nothing significant, nothing too special, but hey, we have a correct way of ordering a pizza. So let's kind of look back at our web traffic and let's see if we can find anything interesting. So here we can actually come to our orders and we do see our discount code. So let's see if we can manipulate that. So we're going to take that into replay and we're going to kind of manipulate this a bit. So what we're going to do is actually we're going to put this into like a list. I think this is the easiest way to do it. So we're just going to set up where we do, okay, we're going to have this list, this is how it's going to look, and it should be a-okay. So let's see what we got. So we have pizza 10 already, so let's do that 2 times, just to prove a concept, right? So we're going to do pizza 10, oops, I could just paste it. All right, so here we are. So we have everything encased in our brackets. So what should happen is it should take this twice. So let's go ahead and send and see what happens. And we did. So it looks like we were able to, 1, we found a flag, but then 2, we were able to have a successful order. So if we go back, let's go ahead and take a look at our orders and see what happened. So there you go. So it was originally like $12, now it's like $10. So this isn't like a huge discount, but I wanted to show proof of concept because if we sit there and we make a huge list like 20, 30, it can be kind of confusing to build, but if we sit there and start off small with 1 or 2, it's a little bit more manageable. Okay, so now I want to talk about the severity of this attack. So actually this would be a CVSS score of 6.5, just because we are actually messing with the integrity of the data and we're able to exploit it over the network. So it's going to be in the more medium range, but still it's a significant attack that I think many people get away with just because many people go, well, it's not that huge of a difference. But I think if someone really wanted to be malicious and get a pizza for free, yeah, it could be a big problem. But in terms of severity, we're going to leave it at 6.5. Okay, so guys, this is just a little bit about the Cheesy Does It web app. Hopefully you liked blowing up some bad business logic, and we'll see you in the next Tinker Around and Find Out video. Thank you.